Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install the Power BI in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First open your favorite browser and search for Power BI and just hit enter. Now scroll down bit and here you can get the download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official the website to download it. It is from the Microsoft. So click on this link. Now here you will get the download option for the desktop. So here we have to select the language and click on the download. Now here we are installing it for the 64-bit. So we'll select this and just click on the download button. So it will start downloading. Let's wait till download complete. Then we'll see how to install it. So we have downloaded Power BI successfully. Now let's install it. For that, open it into folder. So it is an exe file, so double click on that file. So it will ask you to install, so click on the run button. Now you will get this window. So what we need to do, we just need to select an language. So I'll select language as English. Then click on the next button. Then it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes in your device? So click on the yes button. Now let's wait for a while. Now click on the next button. Here we have to accept the license. So just click on this checkbox and click on next. So this will be the path where your all the files of the Power BI will store. You can, if you want to change, you can directly change from here. I'm just keeping it same and click on the next button. Now here they are asking us to create a desktop option. So I will check uh, select this checkbox as I want the desktop icon. Then click on the next button. So it will start installing. Let's wait till installation complete. So the desktop icon is created, you can see here. So we have installed it successfully. So let's uncheck this uh, checkbox and click on finish. So I'll launch from the here from the desktop icon. So double click on this to launch. So it is started. So in this way you can install the Power BI in Windows 11 operating system. So here an introduction what is the Power BI, and these are the different data source which you can use. So in this way you can install the Power BI in Windows 11 operating system.